I bought this because I am kind of a germaphobe and like to have things clean. So this is actually a really good cleaner. It has essential oils in it, ones that will help really clean and deodorize plus sanitize your mat. I'm just at the gym working out, and before I get ready, I'm going to spray my yoga mat. I have this cleaner. Been using this for the last several years. It's lavender mint cleaning spray, so it helps to clean up your mat from like sweat, dirt, any of that kind of stuff. You just spray it on. And the nice thing is it has essential oils in it, and so it does give a nice fresh scent while you're working out that I like. And it also has some tea tree oil in there, so it's going to be a good antimicrobial. So I really enjoyed having this. And I just take a microfiber cloth and just wipe it up. Super easy, super fast. And there you go, clean mat for your workout.